Timepiece Trading, bro.
You already know with TPT.
Shout out Timepiece Trading.
Timepiece Trading.
Yes, sir.
It looks fine.
Oh, the photo? Okay.
Yeah. But here, bro, you've been always there for us whenever we need. You always stay late whenever we need, and you never complain, bro.
Damn.
So, official welcome to the family, even though you already been part of it.
Oh shit! Thank you, bro.
Of course, brother.
Damn, bro.
Supposed to be
That, I was not expecting that.
Sheesh. Sick.
This is fire,
Nice,
bro.
Hell yeah. Congrats, bro.
Damn.
Keep it up. Keep up the good work, Philly. You've always been there for us when we need, bro. And you've been here 3 years. I didn't even realize. We spoke about it the other day. But you know, when someone's been here long enough, they're due for this. So I got you.
Thank you,
A
man.
nice pendant with you got our back always. So
Thank
I'll
you,
have
man.
you repping.
Appreciate it, bro.
Thank you.
Appreciate it,
He's
bro.
the man, guys.
Thank you,
Don't,
bro.
don't play with
I
him.
appreciate that, bro.
Alright.
You know, bro. Thank you, bro. Appreciate that. I didn't expect that. I thought I was in trouble.
I know you did.
Wait, why? Wait, hold on.
Wait.
We should wait for the king to walk in there.
Happy birthday, dear Rick. Happy birthday to you.
See, we changed it up. You know, we brought it to you this time.
Yeah, I was actually like, I was like, I already know it's good. Like, but
thank you,
you
thank
start
you.
just pulling up to them, whoever has a
Exactly.
birthday.
Make a wish.
Who got the cake?
Thank you, guys. I appreciate it.
That is a really good looking cake.
How old are you now?
25.
Wow.
I just turned 25. Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, as in what? Like young?
Wow, I've been very young, yeah.
What? Oh, very young,
But
right?
yeah.
Yeah, that's very young.
I was like, damn.
25 is young.
I'm starting to feel old.
Nah, that's not unk age yet. That's not
Yeah,
unk
I
age.
don't.
Not yet.
I don't think I'm gonna be unk ever, to be honest. Maybe like 35.
What is on gauge?
Yeah.
Is that what they said to you at 32?
35, 40?
I feel like 30 also is the new 20. Really.
I agree.
Who's the oldest here?
Yeah, that's definitely changed too.
We're getting into a very gray, getting very gray very fast.
Unk is more of a mentality, though, I'll admit. It
Yeah.
is more of a mentality,
Your
for
hair
sure.
when you turn 30.
No, but thank you guys. I love all of you, and I'm grateful to call all of you family and team, and just make this year count. Make this year great.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Another step up, dude. What is it? Patek, is that next?
That's next, yeah. But honestly, you could go like just a crazier AP, you know, like something like more rare, like something limited. I don't know. Or if you want to just like collect the brands, then Patek would be next.
I think that would be
Like an
cool.
Aquanaut, that'd be dope for you. Like this, bro. And like you can get it for like 70.
Oh, really? It is nice. I'm not gonna lie. This, I was telling you, is like it's so nice to wear. It's just
Like,
so
you don't feel it,
light
right?
and easy. Yeah, so much better than the Rolex.
Hell yeah.
They're like 70, you said?
Yeah, like 70 for like a newer one, and then if you go like older, like 2017, probably like in the 60s.
Oh, that's chill. If you guys get one, you should send me a picture. So I
Yeah,
can-
bro, they go fast. So I'll call you when we get one, because like
Yeah.
it's like one of the most popular watches right now.
That'd be sick. I also just like looking around here. Anything else you think would be good for the coin flip? It's like probably like two and under. I don't know how much you guys have. Yeah, it's fine. If you don't.
Maybe these, like something like this.
That'd be cool.
Are you gonna get it?
That's the thing. I don't know. I'll like
Like,
make
throw it up in
I'll like
there?
make them. She doesn't need anything. She's got those. So she's still. I don't know. I'd probably make these three like duke out for it.
Duke out? What about
Yeah.
fight?
For what? Huh?
What about fight? I'm
Yeah.
not involved, but I'm
Yeah.
on
No, so I was saying Victoria doesn't need anything. Like, she just got blessed up. She's like, but I can't. I'm coin flip for this. That first one.
Oh, it's beautiful. You gotta tell us how we're figuring it out.
All right, so one of them getting this. I don't know why, but as more it's gambling. I want to go gamble when we're home, but I can do it here too. So yeah, this is sick. It's 2100, and yeah, that's like nothing for Neil, so he'll definitely do it. How are we doing this?
like rock paper scissors.
Mean rock,
all at
paper,
the
scissors.
A mean game of rock paper scissors would go hard.
like all at the same time, then like elimination.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm excited for you to see it in person because honestly, the pictures don't do it like
Dude,
justice at all. Like the
very-
dial looks so much sicker in
I've
person.
been like so extremely excited.
Whenever you're ready.
Oh, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Want to open it, or you want me to open it for you?
Oh, dude, the box is sick. Press it.
Yeah, just press the button.
Dude, this is dope.
The
Oh
dial,
my
like, reflects.
god.
It's insane.
Look at that. Crazy. All right, the G-Shock is coming off. Dude, this is sick here. Good, good. Yeah. Yeah. This is definitely a little more grown up than my other watches. A little more grown up than a bust down G-Shock and a fully bust down Rolex. So.
Dude, for sure. And your money's like super safe, you know? Like, it's like an investment. Like, you're like this time for real.
yeah. Not a troll investment. Yeah. No, dude, this is awesome. I'm so excited.
Dude, we at TPT, bitch. With SCP.
Yeah, right.
Bro, this shit's amazing. Everybody has seen it has compliments. Like,
Bro, it's made for you. Like, look at your outfit right now.
yeah.
It's crazy.
What about the rings?
Yeah, we'll go in the showroom now. I'll wait and see.
This is the greatest guy I met, man.
My bad, bro. I'm finishing my
Sorry.
Right here, brother. No, but that's ladies' rings more.
I like lady rings. I like girl stuff.
Look, the big rings are there, Pong.
Hello, how you doing? All right. One more coin flip.
For the whole ring, all right. I'm kind of down, bro.
All right,
I gotta get you back. Which one do you like?
Let me see. Which one was I looking at last time?
This is what you looked at last time, I think. The
¿A cuánto está ese?
How much is it? No, I'll tell you.
You know, you saw his new watch?
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't see it on his wrist. Is it on? Oh,
Yeah.
fire, bro.
Where you guys from?
Plus aura right away.
Here? Fire.
Okay, let me get the price, because that's probably the most expensive one, bro.
How much is it?
You want to do double or nothing again? Let's see the price and then you tell me what you want to do.
Fuck it. Does not even look at the price. Just flip it.
Wait, let me see the tag, bro. I gotta make sure I can do it, bro. Pump 10, flat. Okay, we can do 5 up and down. Is that cool?
Okay, yeah.
Alright.
Let's do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you call heads or tails for me, alright?
Oh, okay.
One sec, let me get a coin. Alright, you guys, what's going on? We got Lil Pump in the house today. We got my boy Jasper, both big gamblers, so you know we're gonna do a coin flip. Lil Pump, show them what we getting.
So we getting his ring.
So the price, guys, $10,000. We're gonna flip this coin. Trump is heads, the White House is tails. We're gonna have Pump flip, and we're gonna get my boy Jasper to call while the coin's midair. Let's go, guys. I need this one back. He beat me last time.
I got you.
You flip, he calls.
I got you.
Let's get it.
Let's get it. You ready?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Heads.
Let's fucking go! The pump search is 3 for 3 now. Wait, no, 2 for 2.
You owe me 5 now, alright?
I bet.
You just stole that, bro. I lost my.
But tails was due. Because they hit before. So you can't lose that on me. Tails was due.
That's all you,
Or
bro.
heads was due. Because
But the AP is going off now.
Well,
Damn, dog.
A good clip for you, though. What?
He wants to flip for
You want to get this?
I'm getting something for
Another flip?
a coin flip.
Alright, Pump, you're gonna call for me this time. How about that? You call, he's gonna flip because he wants to flip double or nothing on this.
Okay, bet.
Yeah, let me just see the price.
Oh, shit.
2100?
And then one of the girls they're gonna be rock paper scissoring for who gets it. She's out of it because I just got her to racks. So.
Oh wait, so wait. One of the girls will rock paper after we coin flip.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay. Second coin flip for the day. I hope I win this one. I'm already down 5 racks on the day. But we got my boy Jasper. He's gonna buy one of his ladies. He brought a lot of ladies in. I don't know who it's for, but he's gonna buy one of them this bracelet. We're asking $2,100 for it, so it's either gonna be $4,200 or 0, double or nothing. That's heads, Mr. Trump. We got the White House tails. All right, I will have. No, you're gonna call it. You're gonna flip it.
Flip it? Okay.
Yeah. He's calling for me. Let's see if any of my friends are real friends and gonna win.
Alright, let's run. 3, 2, 1.
Heads. Oh! I'm sorry, Neil. I'm sorry, dog. Damn, bro.
I'll take that gift now, though.
No, yeah, I'm gonna bring you a gift tomorrow.
No.
Appreciate you.
Appreciate you.
Dude, I'm not doing this.
Nah. Dude.
Alright, so you got that. That's yours.
So now can we do it for
Invoice him
Richard?
0.
Neil?
Huh?
Can we flip for a richer now?
No. I gotta throw this coin out.
No, bro, keep the coin.
Yeah.
Now I'm up like 600. We did 2,500 and then the Packdraw.
You got
And
1,000.
now I'm up like 600.
Fire, good.
Hey, this.
I'm happy you're winning, bro. He got a free ring. Yeah.
Beautiful, bro. I'm so happy with this. Yeah. You know, I was looking out for next.
That's really fire too. That's factory, you know.
Yeah.
That's a bust down piece that I'll tell you, like, I'm proud of.
That's what I was
That's what I was
saying.
saying. It's a good medium for him. Like, you know, he likes iced out and it's factory.
It's not gonna do the same on your wrist as this will, and you're gonna spend the same money. So this is magnetic, bro. You close one, it clips on with a magnet. Close the next one, clipped on. Through the loops. Should be a little tighter. I can fix it for you if you want.
No, it's chill. No, it's pretty tight. It's perfect.
Do you even feel anything on your wrist when you wear this?
Barely.
Yeah.
I was telling him that's what, dude, the G-Shock, I know it's a bust down G-Shock, but I love wearing that thing just good. So, yeah, no, this is
straps to me.
comfy.
I like straps more than bracelets.
Yeah, that's
you know?
why I like that one
Yeah.
so much, because the rubber, dude.
I mean, that's also a really cool watch.
I thought that was, I put it on, I'm like, dude, this is sick. And it's like so thick on the side, it's
Yeah.
really cool. No, this is
For a big
awesome.
guy like you, that's a
Yeah.
good watch, but
Yeah.
I just think Richard Mille is gonna be like really nice on camera, bro. Everyone you meet is gonna fucking notice that right away.
And it's just comfy, dude.
Yeah.
No.
It has the best presence on your wrist, you know what I mean? Look, yeah. Just pull the other side. That's it.
Dope,
It's a magnet.
Dude. That's sick.
Yeah.
There you go.
This one's limited 17 pieces in the whole world too. It's numbered on the back, look. See that? Number 15 out of 17.
You'll have to start like figuring out what RMs are what, 'cause I know they got like numbers and shit for all of them, the different models and stuff.
Yeah, same with the APs, but the AP you got is kind of timeless. Like it's a 41 Royal Oak.
Yeah.
It's always gonna be
It's just kind
respectful.
of like the more like classic like baseline like starter AP. Yeah.
Here, look, this I could probably do right under 100, just for you to see.
Right under 100.
Yeah. You put it down soft. Solid gold.
I already told you, but like it's watches are sick because it's like. Again, I tell them like make myself broke, but it's like also not because I'm really.
Whenever you want to sell it,
but it's like I don't have money just sitting.
So he just picked up this new ring. He just paid $5,000 for this one, $10,000 for this one. He only paid $5 because he beat me in a coin flip. But bro, we're about to make it even cheaper. Shout out our sponsor Packdraw. Whatever it lands on, you get to either take the item, or you get a discount towards your invoice, how much ever the item is. Okay. Or you get double in credit on Packdraw, and you can go gamble more at home.
Yes,
There's no catch to it. It's sponsored by Packdraw. All right. So you spin the wheel.
I press open.
Yeah.
Let's go.
You almost won that diamond. But you got $500. So either I can give you this watch box. It's a 15-holder watch box, or I can give you $500 off the ring. Whatever you choose. I bet. So now it's even cheaper.
Hey, let's go.
Let's go. Shout out Packdraw.
Thank you to Packdraw. God bless you guys. We in TPT with Neil, and it's get it.
Let's go.
What's up,
Mr. Max. How are you doing, brother? Long time, man.
I didn't know we were doing a video. I would have dressed up, wore my watch. I didn't even bring it.
You're good, dude.
Crazy.
You were it came like 2 days after you won it.
Thank you.
But I know you were busy. Sanjay said, and
yeah, I had to go to a wedding. So
nice. How was it?
Yeah, it was good. It was good.
Well, shout out again, Packdraw. I wanted to show the audience that, you know, because you were the first guy who took you were the first spin, first off.
Yeah, I mean, lucky enough. Thank you, Neil.
No,
for
of
letting
course.
me be.
You're the lucky one, though. You won the prize.
You're right.
You're also the first one and the only one so far who actually took the prize versus a discount on the invoice.
Anything for mom, bro.
Shout out Max.
Anything for mom.
Because I'm on the same page.
Gotta
I do anything for my mom.
Yeah.
So we actually got this shipped direct from David Yurman. Shout out Packdraw. I wanted to show the channel since you were the first one to cash out the prize. Look, he's actually going to take this. Shout out Packdraw. You guys saw him win it, and it's going to be on his mom's wrist
Amazing.
tonight.
Tonight, she lives in Atlanta. I'll see her soon, though.
Okay.
I'll see her soon.